Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your weight? Do you want to improve your overall health in the process? This natural tonic has been used for centuries for its amazing health benefits. I'm talking about a natural superfood that can help you overall. Apple cider vinegar. It can help you lose weight by suppressing appetite, increase metabolism, and it also has many other health assets. Apple cider vinegar can improve digestion, lower blood sugar levels, help your skin with wrinkles, hair growth, and even reduce inflammation in the body. You can also use it in cooking as a healthy alternative to other vinegars. Combined with a healthy diet and exercise, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine can lead to a happier, healthier you. To learn more, click the link below for the apple cider vinegar ebook to discover the top 10 benefits and uses of apple cider vinegar, along with how to use it to lose weight.